Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to help keep your space neat and organized. The STORi Audrey Stackable Clear Bin Plastic Organizer Drawers. If you're anything like me, staying organized can be a challenge, especially when you're juggling multiple beauty products, office supplies, or kitchen tools. Let's see if these stackable storage bins are up for the task. These organizers are made in the USA, crafted from high-quality, durable, BPA-free clear plastic. The fact that they're domestically produced means they come with the added benefit of contributing less to carbon emissions compared to products made overseas. While that's a nice eco-friendly touch, let's get into the specifics of the product itself. Each set includes 2 stackable bins, and the dimensions of a single drawer are 6 inches wide, 7.88 inches long, and 4.5 inches high, which offers a reasonable amount of storage without taking up too much space. These bins are designed to work well in various environments, whether you're looking to organize a bathroom vanity, a desk, or a kitchen cabinet. The transparent plastic means you can easily see what's inside, making it easier to locate your makeup, jewelry, office supplies, or even cleaning tools. Now let's talk about real-world use. These organizers are incredibly easy to set up and use. All you have to do is stack the bins, which is a straightforward process. The bins slide into place easily, and you can arrange them in any configuration that fits your needs. I tested them in a bathroom setting where they housed makeup and skincare items. The clear plastic really makes a difference when it comes to finding exactly what I need without having to dig through drawers. I also tested them in a desk area where they helped organize pens, paper clips, and other office supplies. The stackable feature allowed me to customize the layout based on available space, which was really helpful. In terms of strengths, the clear design and stackable feature are fantastic. They offer flexibility and a clear view of contents, which makes organizing a breeze. The build quality is solid for the price point, and the bins feel sturdy enough for everyday use. However, one downside is that the bins are not the deepest, so larger items may not fit as easily. Also, while they're great for smaller beauty items or desk supplies, if you have a significant amount of bulkier items, you may need to consider a larger storage solution. When it comes to value for money, the STORi Audrey bins offer good quality and functionality for their price. They aren't the cheapest storage bins on the market, but they certainly hold up in terms of build quality and versatility. Given their sturdy plastic material and the added eco-friendly aspect of being made in the USA, they strike a decent balance between cost and durability. Comparing these bins to other organizers on the market, they do stand out for their clear plastic material and stackable design, which adds a level of customization you don't always see in other storage bins. However, similar products at a lower price point may be available, especially if you're looking for basic organizers without the eco-friendly production aspect. In terms of build quality, these bins are solid, and they seem designed to last. The plastic feels thick enough to handle regular use without cracking or bending, which is a plus for anyone looking for long-term storage solutions. While I haven't had the chance to test their longevity over a long period, the sturdy feel of the plastic gives me confidence that these will hold up over time. If you need to reach out to customer support, I didn't encounter any issues with this product, and there hasn't been a need for me to test their service. However, the brand does have a solid reputation for producing practical, reliable home organization products, so if you ever need assistance, you can likely expect responsive service. Now, if you're considering other storage options, there are cheaper alternatives out there that may fit the bill if you're not specifically looking for the eco-friendly aspect. However, if you're someone who values sustainability or simply prefers American-made products, these bins may be well worth the investment. To wrap it up, the STORi Audrey Stackable Clear Bin Plastic Organizer Drawers offer a solid, versatile storage solution for beauty supplies, office essentials, or other household items. Their clear design and stackable feature make them an excellent choice for anyone looking to organize smaller spaces efficiently. While they may not accommodate larger or bulkier items, they certainly serve their purpose well for everyday storage needs. Thanks so much for watching. If you're interested in getting your hands on the STORi Audrey bins, the link to purchase is in the comments box below. Don't forget to share your thoughts or any questions you might have in the comments, especially if you've tried these organizers yourself. Until next time, keep your space as beautiful as your organization skills. Goodbye till next time from Beautyistic.